What if I told you that most investors are buying dividend ETFs like SCHD at the worst possible time? And what if the perfect time to buy isn't what YouTube, Reddit, or even financial advisors are telling you? Because here's the truth nobody talks about. Timing SCHD isn't about the price, it's about understanding what actually drives it. In today's video, we're going deep, like really deep, into when to buy the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, also known as SCHD, from Charles Schwab. We'll break down the biggest myth about buying SCHD, why buy the dip can actually backfire, the hidden signals smart investors watch, and the exact strategy long-term investors use to win. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at SCHD the same way again. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. What is SCHD really? Before we talk about timing, we need to understand what you're buying. SCHD is not just a dividend ETF. It's a quality dividend growth machine. It tracks high-quality U.S. companies with strong cash flow, consistent dividends, solid balance sheets, long dividend histories. We're talking about companies like PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Texas Instruments, Cisco. This is not a hype ETF. This is not a growth at any cost ETF. SCHD is built for stability, income, long-term compounding, which means something very important. The best time to buy SCHD is not the same as growth ETFs. The biggest myth about buying SCHD. Let's destroy the biggest myth right now. Wait for a big dip before buying SCHD. Sounds logical, right? Wrong. Here's why. SCHD doesn't crash like tech stocks. It doesn't swing wildly like growth ETFs. Instead, SCHD moves slowly, gradually, predictably. So if you sit around waiting for a perfect dip, you might end up waiting forever. Meanwhile, dividends keep getting paid, compounding keeps working, prices keep creeping higher. What actually moves SCHD? Now here's the part nobody tells you. SCHD is not driven mainly by hype or news. It's driven by three core forces. 1. Interest rates. When rates go up, dividend stocks become less attractive. SCHD may stagnate or dip. When rates go down, income assets shine. SCHD tends to rise too. Corporate earnings. Strong earnings equals stronger dividends equals higher SCHD value. 3. Economic stability. SCHD thrives in stable economies, moderate growth environments, but struggles during rapid rate hikes, severe recessions. So the best time to buy isn't random, it's when these forces align. The biggest mistake? Missing time in the market. Not bad timing. The truth nobody tells. Here's the truth. The best time to buy SCHD is when it feels boring. Yes, boring. Not when markets are crashing, headlines are screaming, everyone is panicking, but when nothing exciting is happening, prices are flat, investors are ignoring it. Why? Because SCHD rewards consistency, not excitement. 3 best times to buy SCHD. Let's get practical. Here are the actual best times to buy SCHD. 1. During sideways markets. When SCHD is moving sideways, you're accumulating shares, dividends keep coming, valuations stay reasonable. This is the hidden sweet spot. 2. After small pullbacks, not crashes. You don't need a 30% crash. Even 5%, 10% dips, mild corrections can be great entry points. 3. consistently over time, DCA strategy, the real winning strategy. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Buy, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, no stress. No guessing. Because the real power of SCHD is compounding dividends over time. When not to buy SCHD now, let's flip it. Here's when you should be cautious. 1. When you're chasing yield. If you're buying SCHD just for the dividend yield, you're doing it wrong. Because yield fluctuates with price. 2. When interest rates are spiking aggressively, rapid rate hikes can pressure dividend stocks, slow SCHD growth. 3. When you need short-term gains, SCHD is not a quick flip. This is a long-term player patience game. The long-term strategy. Let's talk about what actually works. The investors who win with SCHD buy consistently, reinvest dividends, hold for years, even decades. They don't panic, sell time perfectly, chase hype. Instead, they let time plus dividends equals wealth. Realistic expectations. Let's keep it real. SCHD is not going to 10x overnight, make you rich instantly, but it can generate steady income, grow your portfolio, build long-term financial freedom. Think of SCHD as a slow wealth builder, not a lottery ticket. So, when is the best time to buy SCHD? Here's the honest answer. The best time was yesterday. The second best time is today. But more importantly, the best strategy is consistency, not perfection. Because the truth nobody tells you is this: you don't win with SCHD by timing the market, you win by staying in it. This content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. If you found value in this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more investing insights, and comment below. Are you buying SCHD right now? And if you want to learn how to build a complete dividend portfolio using ETFs like SCHD, check out my next video.